In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add environment variables in Lovable Dev. Environment variables, often called secrets, are the safest way to pass sensitive configuration, like tokens or connection strings, into your application without hard-coding them. Lovable Dev makes this simple, and by the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your keys set up correctly and ready for your app to use. Start by opening your browser and searching for Lovable Dev. From the results, choose the official Lovable site so you land on the correct dashboard. Once you're there, click Sign In and authenticate with your usual account. After login, you'll arrive at the Lovable home screen. On the home screen, look for the Projects area. Depending on your account activity, you may see a recent projects list or a grid of all your applications. Locate the project you want to configure. If you have many, the search or filter tools can help you find it quickly. On the project card, click the three dots in the corner to open the context menu. Choose Open in New tab. Keeping the main dashboard open is handy if you want to switch between projects or double-check settings while you work. Inside your project, navigate to the Cloud view. This is where deployment configuration and runtime settings live. In the Cloud view, open the Secrets section. This is Lovable's secure vault for environment variables. Values here are encrypted and kept out of your source code. Add your variable by entering the key and the value. Then click Save. Use clear, conventional names for keys, typically uppercase with underscores, such as example setting. Paste the exact value your app expects. Avoid accidental spaces at the beginning or end, and don't wrap values in quotes unless your application specifically requires them. Double-check spelling, since a single mismatch means your code won't find the variable. If you make a mistake, you can return here to edit or remove it safely. Once saved, Lovable automatically injects these variables into your app's build and runtime environments, including serverless and edge functions. That means your application code can read them without exposing secrets in the repository. If your app reads variables at build time, changes may appear on the next build or deployment. If it reads them at runtime, they'll be available to running services accordingly. That's it. You searched for Lovable Dev, signed in, opened your project, navigated to the Cloud view, and added your secrets in the Secrets section. Your environment variables are now securely managed and ready for use.